They say power is no longer held by nations or leaders, but by those who control the data. And in 2025, the stakes have never been higher. Behind closed doors and encrypted channels, a quiet alliance is forming, one that could tip the balance of global power. At the center of it all, Donald Trump, the newly re-elected president of the United States, and Elon Musk, the tech visionary now leading the enigmatic DOGE team, a secretive AI and robotics task force. Together, they may be orchestrating a plan that could reshape the future of global dominance, with artificial intelligence as their most lethal weapon. While most media outlets focus on tariffs and tweets, few are paying attention to the deeper game being played. The trade war with China isn't just about steel, semiconductors, or supply chains anymore. It's about control over the AI arms race, and ultimately, control over humanity's next evolution. But what if this war wasn't only economic? What if it's technological, and the battlefield isn't factories or ports, but algorithms, neural networks, and autonomous machines? Elon Musk has long warned about the dangers of AI, but what the public doesn't see is how Musk's own AI projects have grown exponentially since he took charge of DOGE. Officially, DOGE was framed as an innovation initiative, designed to develop decentralized AI for public good. But insiders suggest a far more aggressive agenda, using AI-powered robotics for geopolitical advantage. And with Trump back in the Oval Office, that vision might be getting the military funding and government backing it always needed. Now consider this. In the past 6 months, at least 3 major American robotics startups have been quietly acquired by shell companies that, according to leaked financial documents, trace back to Musk-linked ventures. These companies specialize in autonomous drones, AI surveillance systems, and humanoid robotics, technologies eerily similar to those being deployed near strategic military and economic sites. Coincidence? Or calculated preparation? Let's zoom out. China for years has invested heavily in AI. From facial recognition to predictive policing, their systems are already deeply entrenched. But they rely heavily on American-made chips and semiconductor designs. Enter Trump's new wave of import tariffs. While the headlines scream about consumer goods and inflation, the real goal may be more strategic: to cripple China's access to the core components needed to develop cutting-edge AI. And that's where Musk fits in. By leveraging DOGE's AI capabilities, Musk could help create a new ecosystem of self-reliant, American-made AI systems. Systems that not only replace Chinese technologies, but potentially outperform them. Trump's trade restrictions weaken China's tech growth, while Musk's innovations fill the vacuum. 2 different tactics, one shared objective AI dominance. But this alliance isn't just about competition. It may be about deterrence. Imagine autonomous swarms of AI-powered drones patrolling the skies, capable of identifying threats and neutralizing them before human intervention. Imagine smart economic models that use real-time global data to predict and outmaneuver China's trade moves. Imagine robot soldiers that don't need sleep, morale, or food, only data. These aren't science fiction. Prototypes have been spotted, patents have been filed. The question isn't if they'll be used, but when. And while the public debates ethics and regulations, Trump and Musk might already be steps ahead. According to a recently surfaced whistleblower from within the DOGE team, some AI models are being trained on wartime decision-making scenarios, not just civilian datasets. Why would a supposedly peaceful AI initiative need that level of military simulation? What's more, Musk's recent acquisition of satellite communication firms under the guise of expanding Starlink might have deeper implications. Think global AI coordination. Imagine a decentralized robot army, all synced via low-orbit satellites immune to traditional cyber attacks. If Musk controls the infrastructure and Trump provides the political cover, who could stop them? This theory gains more weight when we look at the recent shift in narrative. For the first time, Trump has publicly praised AI, calling it the new frontier of American greatness. This is the same man who once seemed skeptical of Silicon Valley's intentions. But with Musk in the driver's seat, the tone has changed. AI is no longer a threat. It's a tool of patriotism. Meanwhile, China isn't sitting still. Their latest AI initiative, codenamed Dragon Vein, is rumored to be focused on cognitive warfare. AI systems designed to manipulate human perception, infiltrate social platforms, and influence global narratives. This isn't about firepower, it's about mind power. If true, it makes the Trump-Musk alliance even more urgent. And here's the chilling part. Both nations might already be testing their systems. Mysterious drone sightings, unexplainable market shifts, sudden algorithmic anomalies on social networks. Are we witnessing the first silent skirmishes of an AI Cold War? The implications are massive. If AI decides the outcome of this global conflict, then whoever leads in AI doesn't just win an election or a trade deal. They redefine civilization. And if Trump and Musk are secretly aligning to make that happen, we may be watching the rise of a new kind of empire, one not built on land or oil, but on code. In this future, power doesn't belong to the loudest politician or the wealthiest tycoon. It belongs to the one who controls the smartest machine. So, the next time you see a handshake between Trump and Musk, or hear about another mysterious AI breakthrough from DOGE, ask yourself, is it just progress? Or is it the blueprint of a new world order? Because in the world of AI and robots, the real war is already here. And most of us don't even know it's begun.